So hi everyone, it's iNovemberain and welcome back into my channel. So today's video, I am gonna make a review of my impression. So I did sign up for a Smile Direct Club, and I make a video yesterday, but it doesn't turn out the way I want to because I forgot to zoom out my camera. So I am doing this over again, but suddenly I already sent the impression back to the company. So I have a video over here, right here on the screen, and that's what I did. So I just want to share my experience. So first I signed up, and then I get a 50% discount for my impression. So I only paid for $24 for the impression, and then I signed up like 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and then the next day is 11 o'clock. I already got the impression. I mean, that is so quick, and I am surprised that they send that to your house so quick. So I did my impression yesterday, and it wasn't that really hard to do it because so I am just gonna tell you a short story why as you notice when I talk, and I have a spacing in my teeth over here, so there's a lot of spaces and I need to fix those. So I am gonna tell you a short story why I have spacing on my bottom teeth. So when I still was in the Philippines, I removed my third molar. So on this side, my third molar. So the problem with my third molar it was sticking under my gums. So there's only a small piece that stick out to my gums. So imagine like a really small space sticking out. I mean, it's really small space of teeth that you can't barely see it. But what happened is it got rotten inside. So it started when like inside the cera of my teeth was inside. So I went to the dentist because I can't handle the pain anymore. It was freaking painful, and I went to the dentist, and then the first orthodontist that I went to is she said I need a surgery. So I was like, oh my god, I don't wanna to have a surgery in the Philippines, especially in the Philippines. It's so expensive for me. And then I said, okay, I might gonna go back because I really want to remove that third molar, because there is no chance that they could fix the third molar, because it is really bad already. It's like really bad. So then I went to the second orthodontist, and she said, you don't need to get a surgery. I can remove this without a surgery. And I was like, okay, that's awesome, and I want to do that because I want to be able to go back to work after she can remove my teeth. So it's like a normal procedure, but I don't know what she did because it is really easy for her. I was like, clap for her, because I didn't go through the surgery process and a lot of stuff. She said she can do it, and she assured me she can do it, but I paid at least 3 times of the payment that I'm supposed to. Like removing your teeth in the Philippines, is only 400 pesos, but I think I paid 3 times, so it's like 1,200 pesos. So she removed that completely without any problem of my third molar. So but she specifically told me that I need to have a retainer because of my teeth was it's not complete out. So that means I have a lot of gaps in here with my gums, and she said I need a retainer. But I said, okay, so how much is the retainer cost? She said, you need to wear this for 6 months. She explains everything, and I said, okay, let me decide it later. So actually I did not get the retainer because I don't want to spend the money for a retainer. But she told me that I'm gonna have a problem in the future. My teeth gonna move out. So I was like, it doesn't really bother me at all. It's like my pain is gone. I'm completely okay. Okay, so move on. And then when I came here in the United States, I wasn't expecting that the dental expenses in here, retainer, braces, or Invisalign, it's super duper expensive. So I wasn't I didn't know that when the time that I need to go to dentist and look for how much cost you have to pay for the braces, because it wasn't really bother me at the first, because you know, I don't talk to the camera like this. I don't make a video for YouTube. It really doesn't bother me, but now it already bothers me. So I decided, okay, let me go to the dentist and check how much. But oh my god, it's super duper expensive. So I was like, oh my god. So my first plan is maybe when I go home to the Philippines, I would get the braces and then continue it here. So I don't know if that's gonna work, but that was playing on my mind. But lately I decided, okay, I am gonna research the Invisalign, because first my second option is to get Invisalign, and then I found out that Invisalign is really expensive too. I was like, oh my god, I don't know if I want to spend that kind of money, or I just wait, or I just like live like this. Who cares, right? So I was like, okay. And then I found this the Smile Direct glove, and then took me a year to decide if I want to get the impression or not, or if I want to do this, because I heard that it's gonna be painful. Well, beauty is pain, you know. If you want to be a beauty or something, if you want to improve yourself, it is painful. So I decided, okay, let me do this, and and I'm like, so yesterday I made my impression. So it's over here on the screen right now. So it is really easy. The procedure is really easy. All you have to do is like mix the two colors of putty, the gray and the blue one. So you have to mix them all together. Like you have to do it fast, because the putty is really easy to get hardened. So they give you the what do you call the frame? I don't know what do you call this kind. It's like, it's a frame. It's a blue. You gotta put your putty over there, and then into your teeth, and get the exact size of your teeth, because they were gonna make you a clear aligners. So I heard a lot that they got a lot of bad reviews, but you know, I am taking my chance, because I really want to fix the spacing of my teeth. Actually, my teeth don't have a crowding problem, but it's only the spacing problem. So I don't have, like, I noticed that my teeth only space like 1 set apart, and my teeth here is completely straight. So that's the only problem. And so after I mix all the putty and just send it back to them, and they were gonna make, I think it's another review, or they will tell you that how many months you need to be in your aligners. But for me, I think I choose the 6 months. I want to choose the 6 months, because you have option that you're gonna wear your eyeliner for 6 months, 22 hours a day, and that's what the instructions said. Or you want to get your aligners for night use only for 10 months. Let I was thinking if I could get that 6 months to wear for 22 hours a day, and then my husband suggested me if I could get the night one. I mean, like, it's the same pain anyway, so why wait for at least 10 months to get your teeth fixed? So I think I'm gonna go for the 6 months. I don't know. Oh my god, it's really hard to decide. So I am just gonna wait for my aligners to come, and I am gonna give you an update for how my teeth look like, because I was thinking to go to the dentist to have a proper cleaning first before I wear the aligners, because wearing that for 22 hours a day for 6 months, that's a lot of time. Like, it says there, or I watched some of other YouTubers using this kind of eyeliners. It is really painful, so I think I need to buy a lot of ibuprofen for myself, and then use the eyeliner. So I am just so excited to share it with you guys, and then I hope when my eyeliners come, I can make an update and share it with you, my experience. You know, I know, and I have one really important suggestion for you guys, that if you are living outside the United States right now, and then you will decide, I mean, you will gonna migrate here in the United States, please, if you have a teeth problem, and you have a teeth problem, if you want to fix your teeth first in your home country, that's gonna be a good idea, because here I'm telling you guys, fixing your teeth in here, it is like like triple the price in your country. It's like more than that, you know. And you know, if you have if you have a lot of money to spend for fixing your teeth in here, then you just go ahead. But if you don't have that kind of money, just go ahead and fix your teeth before you migrate here in the United States, because this is my experience. I know this already because I went to my orthodontist, how much it cost. So if you want to be like me, like fixing your teeth in here and spend that money, then that's okay. That is really okay. But if you want to save, I suggest to do it into to the country where you came from, because I know that for a fact, because having a braces in the Philippines, it's only cost $1,000, $1,000 for the whole process, because I already asked before in the Philippines. It only, like, you're just gonna give a 5,000 down payment. Most of the orthodontists offer this kind of payment. All you have to do is put a down payment for 5,000, and then every month you visit to your orthodontist, what do you call that? You have to pay at least I think 1,000. Yeah, that's 1,000. How much is that in 1,000 pesos? That's only $20, guys. $20 every visit. That is a deal, you know. So that's the only suggestion that I could give to you guys. And we're not talking about this. We're not talking about the DIY braces, okay? Don't do that, because it might give you a problem in the future. So yeah, that's all I can say. And I'm hoping I could give you an update for my eyeliner, and we'll see what's gonna be like, look like. So I'm so excited also. But I was like, I keep telling myself that this is gonna be painful, this is gonna be you're gonna hurt yourself, you're gonna cry because, you know, a lot of the people who give review for Directs, Smile Direct Club, or even if the Invisalign, it's gonna be painful. So I need to get ready for myself to get ready. Oh my god, But I'm so excited though because I really want to fix my teeth for such a long time. And I think that's all for today, guys, and thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for commenting my video. And once again, this is iNovemberain na nag-iiwan sa inyo na isang kasabihang manatiling maganda sa kabila ng kairawan, and I thank you. Bye!